Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July 30th, 2018, and we're down here in the pepper patch. I want to give you an update on it. You can see how much the plants grew. You can see out through, and there's more back through here. And I want to show you here. Some of these, hold on, let me find it. These are starting to turn here. These are going to be purple peppers. This is, I believe, the kaleidoscope blend. I don't think it's the carnival blend. I believe it's the kaleidoscope blend. Now again, any pepper touching the ground, I'm going to be taking it off so it doesn't rot. And I'm going to show you these down here. They're going to come off because I don't want them growing on the ground. Let me show you this one over here. So one of those hot peppers, remember those little peppers I was showing you before? That's a cayenne pepper right there. Little red one. They are hot peppers. You don't want to get them mixed up with your sweet peppers because you're not going to like that. These are hot banana peppers here. And when they fell off, it's no good anymore. I'm going to show you some of these over here. There's some big bells here. We're taking these off because they are touching the ground. There's more over here. These are pretty big. So I am actually, hold on right here. Whoops. You can see how big these peppers are on here. So I'm going to start harvesting some of these. And I'll come back then and I'll show you what we got. So I'll be back when I'm done harvesting. So I wanted to show you this real quick. This is one of the big Bertha bell peppers here. And I just tried this one this year. And you can see how big the peppers are on it. This one was touching the ground, so I took it off. So I'm going to continue harvesting here and I'll show you the rest of them then. Okay, so we finished picking the peppers here. And I want to show you, these are big Berthas here. And I'm very impressed with big Bertha bell peppers. They seem to be very prolific, very heavy yielding pepper plants. You can see these peppers are, very large. That would make a really big stuffed pepper. And then we did take some off because of here, I believe it is, yeah. These here, they had some where something got in them, so we had taken those off. And these are these green, I believe it's pronounced Versage or Renaissance tomatoes. So we picked some of those when we were down there. And these here are the hot peppers here. Now we only took what was on the ground. Or these right here, we did take these off. They weren't all touching the ground. They were starting to turn. And when your peppers turn, they will stop giving. So we're at the end of July, and we're going to let the rest of them keep giving more peppers. So we took these here off. So we're going to get a weigh in here and see how much these weigh. Okay, so we got these here weighed. These are the hot peppers here. We had 2 pounds, 14 ounces of those. And we still have a lot hanging on the pepper plants of those. And for the sweet peppers, which is this bag and this bag here, we had a total of 16 pounds, 4 ounces. Now that's not counting the ones that we already took off, and that's not counting the ones from the pepper plants that we have in the swimming pool in the other containers. So this is just from the pepper patch in the Hollow Garden. So these are fed with Organic Gardening's Gardens Alive, Tomatoes Alive, and I'll put a link down below for that. And they're also fed with Epsima, Tomato Tone, Organic Plant Food, and they were given Epsom salt and Sea Magic. So I have links down below for all of those. I will be writing an article then that's going to be going on my blog about the big Bertha peppers. That should be up by Thursday at the latest. So if you want to check the blog out on Thursday, www.carriesgardeningchannel.com. I'll have a link down below for it then. So if you want to check that out Thursday, you can do that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.